Welcome to Mockingbird Hills in Joshua, Texas, where peaceful living, oversized home sites, and beautifully designed homes come together to create the perfect place to call home. I'm Sib with Bloomfield Homes, and what I love most about the community is the balance of small town charm and everyday convenience. You get room to breathe while still being close to shopping, dining, A-rated schools, and everything you need. One of my favorite parts of home building is helping families step into the new chapter of life. It's more than just buying a house. It's creating the backdrop for memories that will last a lifetime. Watching buyers go from just looking to actually holding keys to their dream home, that part never gets old. Bloomfield Homes truly feels different. The homes are thoughtfully designed with features buyers actually want, and there's genuine heart behind the company that makes the experience feel personal from start to finish. Joshua is the kind of place where neighbors still wave, families put down roots, and life moves at a pace that people are craving. My goal is simple: to make the home buying process exciting, supportive, and something buyers will remember long after closing day.